Greetings to you all. Welcome to Creative Writers. Pen Crowns Vision. Date 17th April 2021. And the topic is Weekend. May I welcome Mrs. J. Saranya to recite all the poetries. Please, ma'am, welcome.
Weekend. This poem by Mrs. Anuradha. A long travel with intimate friends, chatting, giggling, treating each other. No worries, no tears, no commitments. World of fantasies and paradise. A heartache laughter by mocking each other. Days and nights should never end. Hours should be seconds. To value every second, there will be no parameters. This poem by Apurav Devsan. Dear friends, you know why we have weekend? So that we can know that our dear ones are fine or not. If all is fine, then together spend time. And if anyone needs help, then be the first one to support. Because I believe a good friend is messenger of God. This poem by Mrs. Sumati. When a flash of thought comes about weekend spot, a smile appears on my face as my weekend plans involve my family's place. The most wonderful time of the week for chilling ourselves out of reach. A little vacation with lots of fun for a peaceful new beginnings plan. The time with fun-loving people for an automatic energy refill. Weekend is not meant to make us weekend. Love and enjoy Saturday night for the forthcoming flight. Leave all the worries and tensions. Jump like a child in the weekend sessions. This poem by Mrs. P. Caroline Santa. Weekend is the beginning of little vacation from our daily vocation. Beginning of little relaxation from our daily affliction. Beginning of little revitalization from our daily exhaustion. This poem by Mrs. Sabina Salam. Chirping sparrows outside wait with cheer. Colorful flowers receive friends dear and near. Pleasantries recharge the pulsating atmosphere. Water respite from life's routine. Children play pranks on each other. Silent home overflows with laughter. Even from far away one could hear water respite from life's routine. Whiff of special desserts follow through the kitchen window. In a jiffy, relishing every morsel, all swallow. Water respite from life's routine. Melodious music massages the tired soul, while fried fritters magically fill in the bowl. The awaited weekend, a console. Water respite, water relief. This poem by Mrs. G. Sarala. I planned my weekend to be locked in my bedroom and the key to be lost, quitting all my household work, firmly covered by people eye, with my eyelids, but I pray God, my ears should have been closed, for it was just 10 early morning. I heard the calling bell. My hubby's relatives, oh, visited for lodging here 2 days. Alas, with severe headache, scrawled my weekend. This poem by R. Elilarasi. Weekend is meant for leisure. Our family planned to go to Munnar for pleasure. Reached the destination and delighted in nature, thrilled to see the ploughing clouds much closer. We had a great day for the renewal of the mind, surrounded by rolling hills dotted with the plants of many kinds. Excited to see Neelakurinji, which blooms once in 12 years, decorated with backwater and free flowing rivers. Enchanted to see the animal Varayadu, it is the state animal of Tamil Nadu. India's best tea growing region made us to stand. Return to the hometown as many works to be done. This poem by Mrs. S. Lakshmi. Weekend is good thing, really I look to. From the busy 6 days of school, first to get rest and next to relax, then to get good sleep to my wish. Weekend is to spend time with family and to savor the delicious biryani, then for multi-slacking instead of multitasking. Also, I plan for my weekend if I had good fun, because after working entire week, our mind will become completely weak. After working for stressful days, we must need peaceful Saturday and Sunday. Work at home is now IT's trend. Work also on Saturdays is teacher's fate. This poem by Mrs. B. Deepa. Few years ago, enjoyed weekend, had leisure, time to spend. Now it is like a mirage and only a photo collage. Weekend is meant for cleaning, mending the sweet home by pruning, playing Raja Rani with family, and treating them as royally. Also for a movie and criticism, recently fun filled with witticism. Time for charity, offered with lovable purity. This poem by Miss Danya Gopinath. Weekend is the time I am free, the time all my worries bury, the time I get to spend with my family. My weekend begins with Friday night movies, easy mornings, relaxing afternoons, playful evenings. This poem by Mrs. B. Tamil Selvi. Their week is end, but no end for the work to working ladies. They are busy with pans and cooker, sounds still go to bedtimes. Morning begin with birds chirping sound on the trees in the garden. As long as their beginning is not smooth and peaceful mind to delight in. Hurry up, works never go away, even at weekend become daring. It is a challenge of whole week homework of concise summarizing. Whatever can handle with hope and courage to defeat the laziness. Angry moments has gone while seeing of children's smiling faces. Whatever busy world we lead life, forgetting smoother stone, planting new ideas, build a person enrich as a smart person, love to go outing, but there is no time to make the day joyous, because the day run forward to forced duties and accomplishments. This poem by R. Ramapriya. A time for relaxation mood, no need to set an alarm mode. Being connected with the home course as if children concentrates while plays. Many consider as a rebooting session, few take it as an act of recreation. Weekend travels faster than weekdays, let us hope to do the deeds in better ways. This poem by P.R. Kalyani. Little late wake up, preparing a rich breakfast, cleaning the kitchen, then watching the little garden, washing the bedspreads and pillow covers. After a tea with biscuits, preparing a special Sunday meal, chat with family and taking little rest, welcoming the unexpected guest for evening tea. Go out for a walk, a film with family, get ready for the coming week. Ends with a simple dinner with little surprises or unexpected shocks. Sometimes it may differ. This poem by Mrs. Vinuja Ramkumar. The motivating factor of restless life, like small children, we long for it. Days of tiredness, will vanish on Friday evening with the merriness of planning the weekend. Outing with friends, shopping at a mall, moonlight dinner, list goes on. It's all only planning, but the best part is spending the weekend only in sleeping. This poem by Mr. K. Ramesh. Recharging our brain, services for vehicles, performances to shine. Buying household items contain family prescription, non-veg items with family, chatting as healthy nutrition. Outing with friends is possible, rejuvenating peaceful oil bathing is possible. Watching movies and shows together, nesting family bonds, glowing fine feather. To take your mind to take your mind off something, footloose and fancy-free dressing, sometimes paused in silent fasting, sometimes failed in water fasting. Fiscal status, make ends meet, planning to reach the milestones street. Green fingers do some duties, weekends are always special beauties. This poem by Mrs. P. Alice. We can put an encore to our tedious deeds and stress. Holidays mood, blessed weekend, rest and relaxation plus. Cleaning, washing freely, sleeping, waking happily, gardening, watering peacefully, reading and writing endlessly. Pleasant cooking, sharing satisfied, jolly drive, listening music enjoy. Serene and thankful worship followed, cheerful celebration ever continued. This poem by Dr. P. Mahadevan. Weekend. A most welcome weekend, all we wish. A relaxed and rejuvenated weekend we cherish. Most of us like to wake up late after sunrise. Tasting the coffee with a good aroma will give us surprise. We start preparing a to-do list during the weekend, but finally we are likely to pretend as if we completed the task planned and plan to go to the beach and play in the sand. Painting, cleaning and sorting all works throng our mind, but we tend to nap at the sight of the bed behind. Some plan to go to a movie in the evening and neglect the important work of cleaning. Welcome the weekend to do the best you like, pursue your passion, and prefer a ride on a bike. This poem by Mrs. B. Sherin. Hiyo, weekend is my dead end. A day with microseconds to spend. Seems to be a Herculean task to do all chores. No ways, my pending works are more and more. I don't have enough time to speak, need to set all for the next week. Struggling for grinding rice and washing clothes. Also, satisfactory meals for my lovable souls. To be free, want to find some ways. My weekend should be added with few more days.
This poem by Mr. K. Ramesh. Recharging our brain, services for vehicles performance to shine. Buying household items contain family prescription, non-veg items with family chatting as healthy nutrition. Outing with friends is possible. Rejuvenating peaceful oil bathing is possible. Watching movies and shows together, nesting family bonds, glowing fine feather. To take your mind off something, footloose and fancy-free dressing, sometimes paused in silent fasting, sometimes failed in water fasting. Fiscal status makes ends meet, planning to reach the milestones street. Green fingers do some duties, weekends are always special beauties. This poem by Mrs. S. Lakshmi. Weekend is good thing, really I look to. From the busy 6 days of school, first to get rest and next to relax, then to get good sleep to my wish. Weekend is to spend time with family and to savor the delicious biryani. Then for multi-slacking instead of multitasking. Also, I plan for my weekend if I had good fun. Cause after working entire week, our mind will become completely weak. After working for stressful days, we must need peaceful Saturday and Sunday. Work at home is now IT's trend. Work also on Saturdays is teacher's fate.
Thank you, dear Saranya ma'am. You have really recited in an excellent fashion. And thanks to all my dear creative writers. Keep penning.